Hello, my dear young and energetic Physioron Army. A very warm welcome to Diksha Vedantu YouTube channel. I am your master teacher Neha ma'am, and in today's video we are going to discuss the competency question based on your human eye and colorful world chapter. Hello, hi Anmol. Good day. Okay, hi. Yeah, shall we start with today's session? Yes, hello, hi everyone. So just let's wait for students so that they can join the session. Okay, I have started 2 minutes before. Okay, that's great. Let's wait for the students. Let them join. Yes, hi. Shriya, Sanjana, hello. Anmol, hello. Hello everyone. Are you guys ready for today's session? And what was your language? Do you guys have tomorrow Hindi exam? Tell me. Okay. Yes. Okay, great. Great. You have chosen different languages, or you're going to, yeah, hello. Yes, guys. So you can see the video properly, right? There is no problem with the video, I hope. You have Hindi. Okay. So then you should prepare for that, right? So today's session is not very difficult. I have checked this competency questions. They are okay. We can do quickly. Fine? Okay. And I have something special, something surprise for you. Okay. At around 5. Okay. Another video live I will be coming. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, just a second, students. I'll just checking here. Okay, I'll be coming again live with some special information for you guys. In this session, I'll be solving these questions. Yeah, hi everyone. Yes. So the students who have joined. Okay. Yeah, just a second. Shall we start? What surprise? It's nothing like surprise, but some instruction for your exams. I'm going to share you with that. Okay. Yeah, shall we start today's session? Okay. You can see the recorded session after the sessions also. Okay, just focus. Confusion between iris and pupil? No worries, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I told no, it's not like something very big surprise. Just to help you with your exams. Your exams are starting, right? So some tips and to ace your exam, some things I'm going to share with you. That's all. Okay. And yesterday a student has asked to make a video on defects of vision, right? So I have made the video on defects of vision, and that will be uploaded in the chapter. Yes, we can start. Great. Principal focus. Okay, no worries. We'll be discussing everything. Let's start today's session. Okay, if you want me to clear your doubt here only, I'll just clear the doubts here. So yes, Krishu was asking about pupil and iris. Excited. Great. Yeah, you were asking me about iris and pupil. Iris is nothing but it's a muscle. It's a diaphragm, dark diaphragm, right? Iris. It's like this structure, right? Just a second, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, 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 hi. I'm here. Yeah. Cataract also. Yes, about defects of vision, I have already made the video and it will be uploaded in the channel. Okay. This mic. Just a second. Can you hear my voice? Yeah. Tomorrow is Hindi exam, so study well for your Hindi exams. I'm going to bring a video live. I'll be coming and I'll be giving you some tips and tricks to ace your exams. So don't worry about that, okay? Let's do the session quickly. I was telling the difference between iris and pupil, right? It got very well. Quite easy. Good, good, good. Keep it up. Continue with the spirit. Okay, that's good. So I was telling the difference between iris and pupil. So iris is nothing but a muscle. It's like this structure. You can consider these hands. It's a iris. Between these iris, you can see some gap. Between my hands, you can see some gap, right? So that is pupil. What does the iris do? Iris expands and contracts. When iris expands, pupil becomes large. Light enters more. Iris expands, gap is more, light enters more. When iris contracts, the pupil is nothing but the hole between the iris, right? So when it contracts, only less amount of light enters. Okay, so you can consider it like that. Is that clear? Is that clear? Tell me. Hi everyone. Hi Vignesh, hi. Yeah. Rakhi, hi Krishu, Quizmaster, and Harshit, everyone. Okay, hi. Yeah, it regulates the pupil size. If iris expands, pupil becomes large. If it closes, it becomes small. So it regulates. And cataract is the defect that is caused in the old age. You have been heard about your grandparents. In the old age, the people suffer with the cataract defect. That is like a milky or cloudiness on the eye lens. Eye lens should be transparent to get the image clearly, right? When it gets some milky, cloudy over the eye lens, what happens? The image will be blur, or there may be complete loss of vision also. Okay, let's, hi, Shubham, yes, okay, let's start with today's question, guys. So first question is on your screen. If the earth did not have an atmosphere, which of the following shows what you would see if you look at the sun? Can you tell the right option in the chat? Write the right option in the chat. Yes, my name is Neha and I'm your physics master teacher. Clear? Now tell me the answer. How would the sun appear from the earth if there is no atmosphere? Can you tell me that? Yes, students. Those who are watching, tell the answer. Okay. Yes, what is the answer? I'm not getting any answers. Yeah, simply. Okay. Option B. Yes, Krishu has written option B. Okay. Think about it. Think about it. Yes, tell me the answer. Have you guys solved this question? Tell me quickly. Yes, what is the option? Write the option. Okay. Okay. Yes, tell me, guys. Yeah, those students who are watching. Now I got the right answer. I was waiting for this. Why B? Why B you are writing, students? Why B? How can the sky look red in the absence of atmosphere? Yeah, tell me how the sky would look red. It will look black, right? Because of no atmosphere, no scattering of light. So black, you have studied this, right? Okay, remember that concept, scattering of light, in which we have studied about when there is no atmosphere, sky appears dark. Yeah, now you guys are writing C, C, C. But initially we are writing B, B, B. Why? Clear? When there is no atmosphere, there is no scattering of light, hence we will not see sky, it will be dark. So that is black color. And sun, the light coming from the sun, yeah, no light, no color. Simple one. Clear? And when the light is coming from the sun, it does not get dispersion. The dispersion process does not occur here. So white light, as it is white sun, you will see. Clear? I hope that's clear. And we can move to the next question. Yeah, exactly. No atmosphere, no color, no light. Yeah. I'll be taking full marathon also. Okay, don't worry about that. We'll do a quick marathon, means we'll not spend more time. We'll do quick, correct and full detail explanation. Yeah? Shall I move then? Shall I move to the next question? And the next question is on your screen, what it is given. The far point and near point refer to the visibility of objects close by and far away from the human eye respectively. These are maximum, minimum distances at which object is visible clearly, and you can see the diagrams. Okay. So what's the question? What's the question on this? The near point and far point are determined with regards to the function of which of the part of eye? Just focus to this first question. First question, the near point and far point. The near point and far point is determined with regards to which part of human eye? Just tell me that. Second question answer in the chat. Second question answer in the chat. Quickly. Yes. Yeah. What is the option for second answer? What's the option? Yes, I'm waiting for the answers. Retina. Do you guys think that? Ciliary muscle. Option D. Okay. Any other answers? B, D. Okay, there's a conflict between B and D. Ciliary muscles. Yeah. Yes, students, why you guys are so confused with human eye chapter? The first question also you guys were confused over here. Where it went? Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, you guys were confused with this question also. And here the right answer is option 4. That is ciliary muscle. Why retina? Why option B? Why 3? It is option D. Ciliary muscles. What's the function of ciliary muscle? No. Not like that. Nothing. Okay, just study with interest to know physics. It's so exciting, right? Physics, the eye, the light, current, magnet, you'll be studying of these things, so be excited to know them. Okay guys, so what is ciliary muscle? What is the function of ciliary muscles? Okay guys, stick to here. Okay, so see, what is ciliary muscle? If I consider this to be a lens, this my hand, it is ciliary muscle. It adjusts the focal length, right? How it will adjust the focal length? When the ciliary muscle is compressed. This is a hard particle. I can't compress this, okay? If this is a sponge-like of structure, what happens? If I compress this, it will become thick. Lens will become thick. Focal length reduces. So what is happening basically? Ciliary muscle is holding the lens and it is expanding and compressing, helping the lens to adjust the focal length. Is the story clear? Is the all story clear or not? Got the points? Ciliary muscles contract, expand, helps the lens to adjust the focal length. Clear or not? Tell me quickly. Yes? Yes, yes. Shall I move to the next question? Just a second, where this arrow went. Yeah. Shall I move to the next question? Quickly in the chat. In the chat. Yeah. Yes, we can move to the next question, right? So everybody should answer. Yeah, it's known as power of accommodation. We can adjust the focal length. It is nothing but power of accommodation. Exactly, right? Okay, next question. Which of this is a reason why a far-sighted person needs convex lens? Why a far-sighted person need convex lens? To correct the defect. So where image is formed? Yes. Where image is formed? In the far-sightedness. Far-sightedness is also known as dash. Tell me the name also in the chat. And also right option for that. Person is suffering from what is that? Far-sightedness, and he is using convex lens. Why? Because image is formed in front of retina, image is formed below retina, image is formed behind on the retina. What is the right option? Far-sightedness. Image is formed behind the retina. Okay, what about others? Yeah, away from retina, it reduces the focal length. Behind, option 2. And the right answer is, yes, it is option 2. What is the defect? Hypermetropia, right? Hypermetropia. And how the image is formed? If this is eye lens and a person is seeing some far object, correct image is formed. If near object a person is seeing, it is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. So we use convex lens to form correct image on the retina, and your answers are absolutely right. It is option 2. Right? Shall we move now? Yeah. What is the fourth question? Under which of these can myopia and hypermetropia can be classified? How can we classify this person has myopia, this person has hypermetropia? By breakdown of tissues, incorrect bending of light in the eye, incorrect reflection of light by the surface around, incorrect coordination with brain and color. What's the right option over here? What's the right option over here? How can we differentiate myopia and metropia? Is it by tissue, incorrect bending, incorrect reflection, incorrect coordination? What's the right option? Tell me that. Option 4. Do you think? Do you think? What is that 2 and 3? 2. Option 2. Okay. What about others? 4, 2. And the right answer is option 2 is the right answer. How can it be option 4? It is talking about the color, right? It's talking about the color. There is no deal of color with hypermetropia or myopia. It's not related to color. Yeah, in myopia our eyeball changes. It is large, right? Eyeball changes, size different. Yes, it changes. But what is there with color? Color has no influence. Okay, color has no influence over here. Incorrect bending of light in the eye. Incorrect bending. If the bending is accurate, it can form the image. Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Then you should think, right? So, I give you time to think. And your answers are right. Those who have written 2, that is exactly right. What are the things? Okay. Yeah. Shall we move to the next question? And the 5th question, before that, some introduction. Okay, let me read out that. The iris is a muscular diaphragm. As I said, it's a muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil. So, yeah, you were asking me about iris, right? You have the definition of iris over your screen. Okay, you have the definition over your screen. The iris is a muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil. Moving forward, it consists of 2 layers. The front pigment fibers layer known as stromata. Okay, so these new concepts. And the beneath stromata, pigmented epithelial cell. Okay, the color of eye is defined by the pigmentation of iris. So iris also iris also gets the color. It detects the color. Okay. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And what's the question? Okay. Which of the following can be directly affected if the iris does not function properly? Identification of colors, the amount of light entering the eye, transmission of visual information to brain, finer adjustment of focusing the object. Okay. 5th one, what is the answer? Yeah. So you have written something, right? So yeah, I was just jumping quickly. Okay, I'll read. Okay, I was just going with this, right? So I didn't read. It is big. It needs time for me to read. So I just went quickly. Okay. Yeah, option 2 is appearing. Okay, option 2s are appearing. और बंदे को पुराना फिजिक्स दिखा दूंगा. Okay, nice. I got somewhat. Yeah. Nice, Shairi. Great. And you have written option 2. And yes, what about others? Only Krishu has answered. And 4. Why? What is? Just concentrate, right? Why? The wrong answer? Yes, Krishu has given the right answer. It controls the amount of light. Right? As I said, beginning of the session, it controls the size of pupil. Pupil is nothing but the from where light enters to our eye. Right? Exactly. Okay, please concentrate, guys. Please concentrate. And I can see students watching. I know Hindi, but little slow in Hindi. That's all. Not very fast as English. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Okay, moving forward, Rohan lit an incense stick in his room and after an hour observed that when a beam of sunlight entered his room through a small gap in the window, he was able to see the path of beam. Due to the presence of what? You can see the path of beam. Yeah? Due to what? Yeah, what I tell you, never forget that. Okay. Yes. path of beam can be seen. We can see the light ray moving when there is presence of pure substance, solution, compound or colloid. What is the option? Yeah, very good. What about others? Why others are not responding to the question? Write the answer. Write the answer in the chat. Yes, hi, hello. Write the answers. Yeah, yes. So Krishu has written the reason also. Yes. So colloidal solution, right? Yes, exactly. It is option 4. Why I cannot get answers from others? What's happening? What's the problem? You guys are watching. Okay. So I got the options now. Great. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Be attending that. Okay. Good. Now you guys have wrote option 4 is the right answer. Okay. But from next, when I'll ask the question, you should tell the answer at that time. Not after writing the answer. And of course, we have studied in the scattering of light, when there is a particle, light ray comes and hits the particle and gets scattered in all the direction. Then we can see the light. So where the light is moving, we can see that. Okay. Yes. Option 4 is the right answer. In a medium like glass, the velocity of light increases as the wavelength increases. It's given velocity of light increases as the wavelength increases. Which of the following light would be faster? Yes, it's about Tyndall effect. Right? It is about Tyndall effect. Yeah, great. Now tell me this answer. Which of the light will travel faster in the what? In the glass. Which is the right option? Yeah, quickly. Quickly. So students should answer now before I'll tell the answer. Okay. Yes, yes. Think about it. Think about it. Why? No, just see. No, why? One will say something answer, everybody will tell the same answer. No, guys, why? Do you really think option 2 is the right answer? Do you really think? Do you have studied this? How can it be option 2? Shall I explain? Tell me quickly, I'm looking at your chat. Shall I explain? Now, oh, sorry. It is not violet. It is option 4. Late, you'll get, oh. Huh? So, if you mark like this in your examination, right? After that, if you scrabble there, write it. So, what will teacher think? Yeah, okay. Okay. Option 4 is the right answer because red light has more wavelength. Right? During the scattering of light, I have explained you guys. This is a particle and red light has the big wavelength, so it will pass, it will not scatter. Whereas blue has small wavelength, it will get scattered. So our sky appears blue, not red. I have explained this in my session. Just go, I want your answers, right? You have your exams, so I am focusing here more than rest of the things. So I hope that you get. And option 4 is the right answer and the explanation is over your screen. Right? Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Yes? Okay. Let's now move to the next question. Which of the following correctly gives the sequence of events that take place when human eye changes its focus from distinct object to closer object? Yeah? So what happens when the focus changes from distinct object to near object? What happens? What happens? Think. sync with the things. What's the right option? Ciliary muscle relax or contract? Curvature increases or decreases? Focal length increases or decreases? What's the right option? Yes, yes, quickly in the chat. Yes, what's the right option? Study the statements. You can see the statements, I hope, right? You can see them. Option 1. Okay. What does 2? Okay, calm down. Tell me the answers. Tell me the answers. What is the right answer? I'm not going to tell anything. I will not review your answers. Finally, I'll give the right answer. That's all. Think again. Think. Don't just blindly answer. See them. See them. Distinct object to closer object. What's happening with the focal length? Is it increasing? Is focal length increasing? Why guys? Why? 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 Simple focal length concept. I didn't expected this. Just tell me what happens to the focal length. You are seeing distinct objects, so my eyes to this object, the distance is far. Focal length is more. When it comes near, focal length is decreasing. Yeah? What's the answer? Again, be calm. Be calm. Let me explain you. So I have explained you guys that focal length reduces. What is given? Focal length decreases. Yeah? Option 3. Okay. Yeah. So just a second. So when you are seeing a distinct object and when the object is coming near our eye lens, what happens with the eye lens? Yeah, it's inversely proportional. Yeah, distinct to closer. Closer, eye lens is becoming thick or thin. Yeah, it is inversely proportional. So hence curvature decreases or increases. Focal length of the lens decrease. See here. So I'm thinking where this focal length went. It is 2 times, right? Decreases. What's happening with the ciliary muscle? Focal length is decreasing. Okay, let me clear you guys. Let me clear this. Okay, let me clear this. No worries. See here, ciliary muscle, when it contracts, our eye lens expand. Remember. Ciliary muscle contract. Lens will become thick. Focal length decreases. Clear. No, it's not 3, it's option 4. Okay, don't worry if you get confused. I'm explaining here, right? I have explained you. Concentrate over here. You guys you all did the mistake, right? Hindi board exams. So yes, students have your exams. Do the exam well, study well, right? See here, you all did mistake with this question. So I am explaining it again in the detail. Object from distant. When you get the question, you can't do these things in your examination hall, but in the imagination you can do. When the object is far, focal length is more. When it comes near, focal length decreases. You are seeing near object, focal length decreases. Myopia, remember what happens in the myopia? Eye lens is thick. Muscles are contracted. Is that clear? Clear or not? Tell me. Should I explain some more? Tell me. Quickly tell me. Is it clear or should I explain? In the chat. Shall I move to the next question or you want some more clarity? Yes, I can't see your reply in the chat. Why? It's your CBSE competency questions. No worries. Don't think it is hard. I'm unable to do nothing. When you prepare for the hard, you can deal easily the easy questions. So, clear? Okay, great. I hope you guys got what's happening here. And let's move to the next question. A person near point is 45 centimeter and far point is 2 meter. What kind of corrective lens is best suited for his vision? Can you tell this answer? Yes, hi. Can you tell me this ninth question answer? Near point is 45 and far point is 2 meter. So which lens he should use? Should he use convex, concave, bifocal, plane or convex? Which lens? Which lens should you use here? Yeah? Why, students? Oh my god, why so many confusions? Is human eye chapter really difficult? Tell me, is human eye chapter really that difficult to you guys? No, it's not too. It's not concave. How can it be concave? Why concave? Concave lens is used to diverge the light rays when image is formed in front of retina, right? So concave is used to correct hypermetropia. But relax. Okay, you have so many confusions. Oh my god. Students, far point of normal human eye is infinity and near point is 25 centimeter. So there is defect in both. There is both hypermetropia, myopia, that is called as presbyopia, both the defects. So what is the lens? What? See, is it really that difficult? There is error in both near point and far point. Is it really that difficult? There is error, right? There is error in both the side, far point and near point. So the person should use bifocal length. Clear? Why again convex? Yeah, person should use bifocal length lens because there is problem with the far point and near point. Kind of confusing. Okay. But so I'll be telling you, read the question. Question will be telling you the answers. Clear? Is this clear? Eye has the defect. Yeah. It's not difficult. Clear. Okay, you have the answers over your screen, just the numbers. Let's move to the second part of the question. Questions. Nanda saw rays of sunlight entering in a dark room as shown below. Okay, light rays coming over here. Okay. He then did something to the air in the room, after which he was not able to see the sun rays in the room. What is that Nanda could have done to make the rays of sunlight invisible Justify your answer. From that window doors, light is entering and he can see that. He does something with that so that the rays will not be visible. Can you tell what he does? Tell me. Can you tell what Nanda does? Yes, yes, yes. What's the answer? Quickly, tell me. You get the answer or shall I give some hint? Tyndall effect. What he should do so that he should not see the light rays. What he should do? In the atmosphere, there is presence of colloidal particle. There is presence of dust particle. Close the window. Then light will not enter. Light should enter, but hint is the same. Krishu has written, right? Colloidal particles, Tyndall effect is going to work here. The light reaches us after bending. Okay. No. You should not stop light entering. Light should enter the room, but you should not see that. Don't tell close our eyes. No, that's not. Don't tell that. There is presence of colloidal particles. What I can do so that I don't want colloidal particles? Because of this particle, I can see this light, right? No sunlight, that all things, cover the cloth, they are not the answers. The answer is also change the window. No, calm down. Don't change the window. Let the window. Remove the particles. That's all. Remove these particles. So it will go. When there is no particle, you will not see the rays. Simple as that. Clear? The colloidal particles are present, so you can see the light. Remove the colloidal particles, you will not see the light. That's the answer. Clear? Tell me. Removing all the dust particles from the air in the room by passing the air through a very efficient filter. Answer. Done. Good. Filtering the air. Why? How? Yeah, some question. It was something here. What is? Justify your answer, right? To justify. Yes. Filtering the air removes the suspended dust particle, thus preventing scattering. So we are preventing scattering by removing the dust particles. Clear? Done? I hope we can move to the next question. Okay. Mars atmosphere is composed of mainly, so now we are going to Mars. So ready to answer for the Mars? Okay. Mars atmosphere is composed of mainly carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon and negligible amount of oxygen, water vapor and methane. Using the information given in the sentence above and knowledge about the rainbow formation, rainbows are formed on Earth, explain why rainbow formation is impossible on Mars. We can see the beautiful rainbows from the Earth. But if we go to the Mars and if we see the sky, never will get the rainbow there. Why is the question? Why do you not get rainbow when you see the sky from the Mars? It's an example for dispersion of light. So what is happening here? Why you can't see the rainbow here? Yes, coming near to the answer, but not exact. What's the exact answer? Yes, think. Yeah, what's the answer? Yes. So many big answers. Who is natural spectrum of light appearing in the sky after rain shower with a tiny water? Rainbow is always formed. Okay, you're writing the definition how the rainbow is formed. Because there is not much of oxygen, water vapor, methane and small water droplets, air acts as a prism, which is required. Okay. Okay. Because there is no rain. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes, that was the exact point is water droplets negligible. Negligible means equal to there is no existence, right? When there is water molecule, why we can see the rainbow? Because when the sunlight enters from the water molecule, it will disperse the light rays. Hence, we can see the rainbow. Here, there is no water vapors, water droplets, no rainbow. Simple. Because there is no enough water vapor in the atmosphere to cause the scattering of light. And good, you have written the answer, right? Good. Move to the next question. Yeah, this is clear. No need of more extra information over here. That's all. Okay. Space is mostly vacuum devoid of any medium. What color does the sun appear to the astronauts in International Space Station? You know about International Space Station, right? It is rotating around us, our Earth's orbit. So if you go there as an astronaut and if you see the sun, how will the sun appear? Which color do you see the sun? Is the first part of the question A. And second question is, give reason to that. Yeah, you'll not see the sun. Sun, you can see the sun. You don't know. Okay. Think, shall I give you one hint? This question is very, no, not right. This question is very similar with the first question. I have explained something about the first question, right? Yeah, that's the answer. Yes, Pratyush, white. Sun appears white because no atmosphere, no dispersion, no scattering, nothing happens. What is the light? Sun is emitting white light and you can see the sun as white light. Answer is white, okay? No orange, no red. First question, I have explained that, right? So you can see the color is white. Since there is no medium, no dispersion, no scattering, sun will appear white. Clear? Remember this. Remember. Yeah, what you are asking? Just a second. Okay, clear? Yeah. Bio, physics, chemistry, everything will be done, okay? Clear. Okay. So we are so quickly done with the session. I was not thinking that it will end so soon. So only 12 questions were in the competency questions provided by CBSE. So I have bought that. Finished very quickly. But if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right. Okay. Clear. Yeah. Any questions? Any doubts? Everything done? Yes, everything done? Yeah, competency, as the name suggests, it will be a bit tricky. But we can't say it is very difficult. It is tricky. Just you have to tackle the trick. Okay. So prepare well for your Hindi exams. And as I said, I'm going to bring a video. Let's see, around 4:30. I'll be coming live. We are going tough. Don't worry. Don't let your other exams affect the coming exams, okay? Don't do that. Whatever it's done. Just be prepared. Do well. Okay? Yeah, clear? Kannada is on 24th. Okay, prepare well then. Still 3-4 days. Yeah, why do it take some time to see the objects? Cinema hall from a bright light. When your eyes are exposed with the bright light, that stays, that brightness, that pupil and ciliary, what is that? Iris. Okay, the light has entered lots of amount, right? It stays within our eyes for some minute with our brain. And it takes some time to get relaxed and see the things. Yeah, what is that? I didn't got it. I have no idea about that. Important chapters, I have already done the video, right? It's already uploaded in the channel. Important topics from physics. It's already done. Yeah, only one lesson. But what? I have done there. Light, your human eye, everything, right? Done? I have done there. Okay, in that video you can go and check out that. Is this clear? Done? Yeah? Great. Okay then. Clear? Everything done? Let's meet you again. I'll be coming you to meet here and discuss some of the points. Done? I hope that's clear. Yes. Okay. Okay guys, so yes, this was about today's video. I hope today's video will help you. Yeah, what's the next session? So next you'll be getting, yeah, you can check in the channel list, right? Live sections. Ankita ma'am will be taking social, Suhas sir will be taking maths, and again I'll be coming to discuss some of the points. Okay, so yes students, this was about today's session. I hope you liked today's session. If you have liked the session, just hit that like button and share the videos with your friends. Exams are near. Let them also prepare and score well. Okay, we should not be selfish that only I should score. No, let them also score, right? Okay, so share the videos with your friends, and yeah, I hope you all have subscribed the channel. Right, those who haven't subscribed the channel, they can also subscribe the channel and get good videos with us. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet again in the next session, and bye bye.